This summer has just been crazy with festival jobs all over, and I made a lot of after movies, so here's a little snippet of what I made. In this video I'm going to talk about the Foxeer Foxwhoop 25, and I'm gonna tell you why I might think this is going to be my favorite cinewhoop in the fleet right now. So let's jump straight into the unboxing and see what Foxeer sent me. Alright, so while ripping up this package, I gotta give you a little disclaimer. Foxeer did send this to me for free, but they didn't have any influence on what I can or cannot say, but I thought it was important to mention that they did send this to me for free. So the first thing I see here is a pack of props, a couple of pack of props. This is the DAL prop Cyclone T2530. I don't know how many you get when you are ordering this drone, but I think this is spare stuff that they sent me. The next thing here is actually a spare frame kit, which is super cool that they send me. I'm actually going to give this away, so if you want to win this, leave a comment in the comment section, because I don't need a complete spare frame kit. So if you're interested, please just leave a comment and I will pick a random guy to get a complete free spare kit. Alright, so let's open up the box. This is probably what you get when you buy this. This is a couple of, I think it's, well, yeah, one set of props, another camera mount for different cameras, a couple of antenna protectors, I guess that's called. And yeah, let's open up the box and see the drone. Alright, so this is the drone. I really like the design of this drone. It's very small and it's nice. I really like the layout. I like how things are really accessible. So this do have the 45A Reaper AIO, and I heard that people are very happy with the electronics of this drone. I got the Vista version, of course, because I need the HD signal for my goggles. I really like how easy you can access the USB ports on the flight controller. It's a little bit harder on the Vista, but I think you can just undo, let's see, yeah, let's undo 4 screws in the bottom and you can just pop out the Vista and access it for activation, and if you are going to do sneaky stuff with the milliwatts. Anyways, I got the crossfire system for my controller. Very easy to access the bind button there too, so that's a huge plus. The camera is the Foxeer Apollo. I'm pretty sure it is. I heard good stuff about it, and I heard people not being too happy with it, but I'm just curious. Anyways, let's not waste any more time talking. Let's bring this outside and see how this flies. Alright, so this is my first flight with the Foxeer Foxwhoop 25, and the first thing I'm noticing is that the picture is so saturated because of the camera. Of course, this was shot in a very nice sunset, so it might has to be a little bit something with that, but I think this picture is very saturated. As you can see, I'm flying a little bit aggressive in the beginning. I always do that because it makes me feel like I can trust the drone more. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just how I think about it. So yeah, this is just the first rip, and it honestly flies pretty well with decent speed too, so yeah, I'm surprised. Alright, so this is from the next day. It was a lot more windier outside. As you can see, there's a little bit of wobbling, but there's no problem flying the drone. It just looks like it's a little bit harder than it is. But the one thing that I was super impressed with was how good this was from flying outdoors to indoors. As you can see here, there was no problems at all, and that used to be a huge problem for me, flying from outdoors to indoors, so this is way smoother. This is the feed from the naked GoPro Hero 8 with real steady applied, and you can see here too just how smooth it is when it comes to flying from outside to inside. And yeah, that was the thing that surprised me the most with this drone, because it's small and it's still nice. And here I'm trying to fly a little bit slower. It's honestly zero problems flying slow indoor with this drone, so that's a huge plus because that's what you want to do. Alright, so same shot with the naked GoPro Hero 8. You can see here, no problem flying slow and smooth, and that's something I really need for my shots. So yeah, that's also perfect. As you can see here, I even did some crashing and the drone still flies very good. This location is getting really dark really fast, so bear with me. Do I think you should get the Foxeer 25? I actually do. It's a really nice drone. It flies very well inside, it flies very nice outside, and the transition from flying from outside to inside is also super smooth. So honestly, I think this is a really good choice for the smaller 2.5-inch cinewhoops. So I'm currently waiting on more of these smaller drones to come in from other sponsorships, so I can make like more of a comparison video when that happens. So until that, stay safe, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.